Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After we tested our Aulon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch, its heart rate monitoring, and compared it with our fingertip pulse oximeter, this time we are going to compare it with our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So we'll check if they have the same or they have a close results when it comes to heart rate monitoring as well as blood oxygen monitoring. So if you are interested to see the results of this demo, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have a demo of the heart rate monitoring, and we'll have a simultaneous monitoring with our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. The Aulon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch, if you're going to monitor your heart rate and if you are not wearing it, as we have said on our previous video, it will not monitor your heart rate. So you should wear it properly. It can detect whether you are wearing it or not. So let's wear the smartwatch properly, as well as our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So let's check. Okay, so let's go first with our Aulon Watch Curve 3. So let's measure. It's now measuring. We do have a continuous monitoring for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. We don't have it here on our Aulon Watch Curve 3. But anyway, we'll check it. While running, we'll see if they will synchronize or not. So we have here 88, 89, 90, 91, 90 beats per minute, and we have completed our heart rate monitoring. So let's check with our Smart Band 10 here. Then let's measure. I don't remember if you can set it to complete or just continuous monitoring for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. We have the same, almost close results here. 85, 84, 85. Seems like we do have a very good sensor here for the Aulon Watch Curve. Okay, maybe our fingertip pulse oximeter is not that accurate. As you can see, we have the same results here. Again, 86, 85, 87. This is what I don't like about our Aulon Watch Curve 3. It is very slow to update its result. You have 84, 83. I think plus 1 minus 1 for the heart rate for the results. The same. 88, 87, 89, 88, 89. Again. I guess based on this, I think we just have an issue, maybe the battery or the sensor for our fingertip pulse oximeter is not clean. Okay, we'll check it again. Right, but based here, seems like our Aulon Watch Curve 3 do have a very good sensor for the heart rate. Plus 1, minus 1 if you're going to compare the results here with our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Okay, so we are done. So we have the graphs here. We are done with our heart rate monitoring. So let's go with our blood oxygen. We have the SpO2 here. It should be facing upward, but we're not going to do it. I'm going to show you the activity here. But if we're going to put it close or lift your wrist closer to your heart, you will get a match accurate result for the blood oxygen, I think. So 99%. We have 97. And for our Howlon Watch Curve 3, we have 98. So very good so far. So that's it for our demo for the heart rate monitoring of our Howlon Watch Curve 3, comparing it with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And so far, seems like we do have a very good result compared to our previous video with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, I'm going to check the sensor here and see and check if it's working or not. Going to clean the sensor first. Okay, and then if you have any questions regarding demo, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.